Crystal, I got your email. I'm not exactly sure what is going on with regard to why you can't download things, but what I am going to do is show you my computer and what that looks like and see if I can walk you through this. Alright. So here you are. This is the first assignment. This I expect you to read, and here is the calendar. You click on it, it says Open with Word, and then all the way up here, up at the top, it asks you to enable editing. So you click that, and then this is now your document. So even before you do anything, you can go up to File. You can go up to File up here and click File and then click Save As. And then I would recommend saving it to your desktop. Or someplace that you can find it. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. And at this point you can rename it. So a set calendar for essential skills, and then you can go back and put your name. And that way this will be saved on your desktop. So once you do that, you can write in on Sunday, work 9 to noon, study 2 to 7 p.m. And then once you completely fill this out, click Save, and then that is when you go back to where you turn things in, click on this, alright, and it shows you, you can browse your computer to look for your document, and then this box will pop up. I'm going to go back to desktop to see where I saved this. And it's calendar for essential skills with my initials. And then you click Open, and then you will see this right here as the attached file. And then you go down here and click Submit. And once that happens, that pops over to me and I receive it. Now, if you are doing every bit of that and you're still not getting your document sent over, I don't know what the problem is, but try that first and then let me know how that goes. Okay, good luck.